Welcome, future doctors! Today we'll take a deep dive into one of the most vital systems in human reproduction, the female reproductive system. This system is beautifully designed to support fertilization, pregnancy, and childbirth. Let's begin. The female reproductive system is made up of primary sex organs, the ovaries, accessory ducts, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina, external genitalia called the vulva, and finally, mammary glands. Each part plays a specific role in ensuring reproduction can occur efficiently.
Hi, I'm the ovary, the primary sex organ in females. There are two of us, and we lie on either side of the uterus. We produce the ova, female gametes, and we also secrete important hormones like estrogen, progesterone, inhibin, and relaxin.
Ovaries have two zones, the outer cortex, which has follicles in different stages of development, the inner medulla filled with blood vessels and nerves. The germinal epithelium, despite its name, does not produce germ cells.
I'm the fallopian tube, about 10 to 12 centimeters long. I connect the ovary to the uterus and I'm the site of fertilization.
Let's break it down. Infundibulum, funnel-shaped opening near the ovary with finger-like fimbriae that help capture the ovum. Ampulla, the widest part, this is where fertilization usually takes place. Isthmus, the narrow portion that connects to the uterus.
I'm the uterus, also called the womb. I'm where the embryo grows into a baby. I contract during labor to help push the baby out.
The uterus has three parts: fundus, the top rounded part, body, the central portion, and cervix, the lower narrow region opening into the vagina. Now let's explore the three layers of the uterine wall. Perimetrium, I'm the perimetrium, the outermost thin layer. I protect the uterus. Myometrium, I'm the myometrium. I'm made of thick, smooth muscles. I contract during menstruation and childbirth. Endometrium, and I'm the endometrium, the most important layer. I go through cyclical changes each month. If an embryo implants, I nourish it. If not, I shed, and that's what causes menstruation. The endometrium has two parts. Stratum functionalis sheds during menstruation, and stratum basalis regenerates the lining.
I form a gateway between the uterus and the vagina. My cervical mucus changes during the cycle to either block or help sperm entry, and I'm the vagina, a muscular elastic tube. I serve three functions: receiving sperm, allowing menstrual flow, and acting as the birth canal. My acidic pH protects against infection.
The vulva includes mons pubis, which is fatty tissue with pubic hair. The labia majora, those are the outer folds of skin, and the labia minora, the inner folds. Then there's the clitoris, which is sensitive erectile tissue. And finally, the vestibule, which contains openings for the urethra, vagina, and glands. The mammary glands are modified sweat glands that produce milk to nourish a newborn. Each breast has 15 to 20 lobes, each made of smaller lobules. The alveoli in the lobules secrete milk. Milk drains into ducts, then into the ampulla, and finally to the nipple. Prolactin stimulates milk production, and oxytocin causes milk ejection. Let's quickly revise some neat focus tips. Fertilization occurs in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The corpus luteum forms after ovulation and secretes progesterone. The endometrium thickens under estrogen and progesterone. LH surge triggers ovulation. The cervical mucus is watery during ovulation and thick before menstruation. And that's the female reproductive system, beautifully complex and essential to life. Understanding it in detail not only helps you ace NEET, but also gives you a deeper appreciation for human biology.